Today, we're exploring 15 brilliant rustic garden fence ideas that are perfect for beginners. These DIY projects will not only add charm to your garden, but also provide privacy and define your outdoor living areas. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and check out the link in the description for our complete guide on rustic garden projects. Let's get started with these amazing fence ideas that will give your garden that perfect rustic touch. Number 1, split rail fence. A split rail fence is perhaps the quintessential rustic boundary marker. These fences use rough-hewn wooden rails that sit horizontally between posts, creating a natural countryside look. What makes this option so appealing for beginners is its simplicity. No complex joinery required. Simply set your posts about 8 feet apart, then slide your rails into the pre-cut notches. Cedar and locust woods are excellent choices, as they naturally resist rot and insects. The open design allows breezes and wildlife to pass through, while still clearly defining your garden space. For added rustic charm, allow climbing roses or clematis to wind their way through the rails, creating a living fence that changes with the seasons. Number 2, woven willow fence. If you're looking for something truly organic, a woven willow fence brings undeniable character to your garden. This ancient technique involves weaving flexible willow branches between upright posts to create a tight, basket-like barrier. The beauty of willow is that fresh-cut branches remain pliable enough to weave, then harden as they dry. You can harvest willow yourself if you have access to it, or purchase bundles from garden centers. The natural variations in the branches create beautiful patterns that complement any garden style. While it may take some practice to perfect your weaving technique, even a beginner's attempt creates a charming, imperfect beauty that's the essence of rustic design. These fences typically last 7 to 10 years before needing replacement, making them both sustainable and biodegradable. Number 3, reclaimed wood pallet fence. Transform free or inexpensive wooden pallets into a stunning rustic fence with minimal effort. Start by dismantling clean pallets, avoid those that may have been treated with chemicals, or use them whole for an even easier project. Stand the pallets vertically and secure them to posts using exterior screws. The weathered wood instantly provides that sought-after rustic appeal, and the gaps between slats offer glimpses of your garden while maintaining privacy. For added character, leave some sections of the pallets intact to create built-in planters for trailing flowers or herbs. The uneven textures and varied wood tones create visual interests that mass-produced fencing simply can't match, and you'll be recycling materials that might otherwise end up in a landfill. Number 4, stone and wood combination. Blend natural elements by creating a fence that combines stone bases with wooden tops. Start by stacking flat stones or small boulders to create pillars about 2 to 3 feet high. Then add wooden panels or rails between these stone posts for the upper portion. This combination offers incredible stability while showcasing 2 beautiful natural materials. The stone bases ground the fence and protect the wood from soil moisture, extending the life of your fence. Choose stones that complement your garden's color palette: slate for cool tones or sandstone for warmer hues. The contrast between the solid stone and more delicate wood creates a beautiful textural interplay that draws the eye and enhances your garden's rustic appeal. Number 5, log slice fence. Create a truly unique boundary using cross-sections of logs or branches. This style works wonderfully for shorter decorative fences or garden borders. Begin by collecting logs of similar diameter. Fallen trees, pruned branches, or even purchased firewood can all be repurposed. Cut them into rounds about 3 to 4 inches thick, then partially bury these wooden coins vertically in a trench, creating a continuous border of end-grain wood surfaces. The circular tree rings make a stunning natural pattern, and the varying sizes add to the handcrafted charm. Seal the tops with exterior wood sealer to prevent cracking and rot. For added stability, you can wire the slices together or set them in concrete. This fence style is particularly perfect for cottage and woodland gardens. Number 6, branch lattice fence. Create an airy, organic boundary using straight branches arranged in a diagonal lattice pattern. Start with sturdier vertical posts, then attach branches or saplings in crisscross patterns, securing the intersections with natural twine or wire. Maple, birch, or fruit tree prunings work wonderfully for this project. The resulting diamond-shaped openings are perfect for climbing plants like sweet peas or morning glories. This fence style filters the view rather than blocking it completely, creating a sense of separation without isolation. The irregular shapes and natural curves of the branches celebrate imperfection, a hallmark of authentic rustic style. As the wood weathers to a silver gray, it develops even more character and blends beautifully with the garden setting. Number 7, rustic picket fence. Reinvent the classic picket fence with rustic elements that give it countryside charm. Instead of uniform machine-cut pickets, use varied width boards with their natural edges intact. Install them at slightly different heights and spacing for a deliberately imperfect look. Leave gaps between boards uneven and consider using woods with interesting grain patterns or knots. Cedar, cypress, or reclaimed barnwood are excellent choices that will weather beautifully. You can enhance the rustic feel by applying a whitewash finish rather than solid paint. This allows the wood grain to show through while providing some protection. Add custom touches like a charming gate with vintage hardware or birdhouses mounted on fence posts to complete the welcoming homespun appearance. Number 8, gabion and wood fence. Combine contemporary and rustic elements with a gabion and wood fence. Gabions are wire cages filled with stones, creating solid, durable pillars. Place these gabions at regular intervals, then connect them with wooden panels or rails. The contrast between the organized stone structure and natural wood creates visual interest that works in almost any garden style. You can fill the gabions with stones that match your landscape. River rocks, broken concrete, or local fieldstone all work beautifully. For an extra design element, consider weaving solar-powered string lights through the gabion wire to illuminate your garden pathway at night. This fence style provides excellent stability in windy locations and requires almost no maintenance once installed. Number 9, wattle hurdle fence. Dating back centuries, wattle hurdle fencing is made by weaving flexible branches around upright stakes. Traditionally used by shepherds for movable pens, these panels bring authentic rustic charm to any garden. You can create your own by driving wooden stakes into the ground about 4 inches apart, then weaving hazel, willow, or birch branches horizontally. The finished panels have a beautiful texture that casts intricate shadows across your garden. Pre-made wattle panels are also available if you prefer a less labor-intensive option. These fences work particularly well for creating curved boundaries, as the woven panels can easily follow natural contours of your landscape. Their earthy appearance pairs perfectly with cottage garden plants and rustic garden furnishings. Number 10, rope and post fence. For a coastal or farmhouse-inspired rustic look, consider a rope and post fence. This simple design uses substantial wooden posts set at regular intervals with thick nautical rope or natural fiber rope threaded through holes drilled in the posts. 2 to 4 rows of rope create a boundary that's clearly defined but still open and airy. This style works particularly well for front gardens or areas where you don't want to block the view. Choose weathered posts with character, driftwood for coastal gardens, or rough-hewn cedar for country settings. The rope will weather naturally over time, developing a beautiful patina that enhances the rustic appeal. This fence style is perfect for defining spaces without creating a sense of confinement. Number 11, log rounds fence. Create a distinctive garden boundary using vertical logs of varying heights. Select logs about 5 to 8 inches in diameter, strip the bark if desired, and cut them to different lengths for visual interest. Dig holes about 1/3 the height of each log and set them in concrete for stability. Arrange the logs close together, but with small gaps between them to create a rhythmic fence line that resembles a natural forest edge. The tops can be cut at angles or left flat, depending on your preference. Over time, the wood will develop cracks and weather to a silver gray that looks stunning against green foliage. For added durability, consider coating the buried portions with wood preservative and capping the tops with metal flashing to prevent water penetration and extend the life of your fence. Number 12, living willow fence. For the ultimate sustainable fence, consider a living willow barrier. Unlike woven willow fences, these actually grow in place. Begin by planting willow rods or whips in winter when they're dormant. Place them about 12 inches apart and weave them into your desired pattern while they're still flexible. As spring arrives, the rods will root and begin growing, eventually fusing where they cross. You can continue training and pruning the willows each year to maintain your design. Within 2 to 3 seasons, you'll have a fully established living fence that provides privacy, supports wildlife, and captures carbon. This natural approach requires some maintenance through seasonal pruning, but rewards you with a dynamic boundary that changes with the seasons. Bare branches in winter, catkins in spring, and leafy green coverage in summer. Number 13, rustic bamboo screen. Create an exotic yet rustic boundary using natural bamboo poles. Start by securing upright posts, then attach bamboo poles horizontally using natural jute twine or wire for an authentic look. You can vary the spacing between poles or create panels with alternating directions for visual interest. Bamboo naturally weathers to a honey gold color that complements most garden settings. This lightweight option is perfect for areas where you want filtered light or a gentle windbreak rather than a solid barrier. For added interest, intersperse thicker bamboo poles with thinner ones, creating rhythm and texture. Solar-powered light strings woven between the poles create magical evening ambiance, highlighting the unique texture of this natural material. Number 14, stacked stone and branch fence. For a fence that looks as though it grew naturally from the landscape, combine stacked stones with vertical branches. Begin by creating a low stone wall using flat field stones, carefully balanced without mortar, a technique known as dry stacking. Then insert branches or small tree trunks vertically into the top layer of stones, securing them if necessary with hidden wire or concrete. The combination of ancient stonecraft with organic wooden elements creates a boundary that feels as though it's been part of the landscape for generations. This style works particularly well on sloped sites or when following natural contours. Over time, mosses and lichens will colonize the stones, while the wood weathers to silver gray, enhancing the timeless, rustic appeal of this unique fence style. Number 15, repurposed window frame fence. Give old wooden window frames a second life by transforming them into a charming garden fence. Collect vintage frames from salvage yards or online marketplaces. The more weathered, the better for rustic appeal. Remove any broken glass and connect the frames side by side using hinges or brackets. Set posts at regular intervals and attach your window panel sections securely. For added interest, leave some frames with their original hardware or paint colors showing through. The empty window openings create pictures of your garden beyond, framing beautiful views and plants. Consider growing climbing roses or clematis through some openings while leaving others clear. This creative approach celebrates architectural salvage while creating a truly one-of-a-kind garden boundary that tells a story. That wraps up our exploration of 15 brilliant rustic garden fence ideas that any beginner can tackle. Remember, the beauty of rustic design lies in embracing imperfection and allowing natural materials to show their character. Whether you choose the simplicity of a split-rail fence or the creativity of repurposed windows, these projects will add unique charm to your outdoor space. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening inspiration. And if you've created a rustic fence of your own, we'd love to see it. Share photos in the comments below. Until next time, happy gardening and happy building.